I don't know who this individual was that was driving a brand new combine from the John Deere dealership today, but he had no business driving it in town. Clearly not having the experience that is necessary to drive down a road in town, taking both lanes up like a drunk, swerving back and forth. And is maybe the reason we need to consider training and licensing for people that want to run large pieces of equipment like this down the highway. Needing special training, perhaps. What do you folks think?